Right, what we've got set up here is a Myford Super 7 lathe. I noticed last time I turned the project on here, it was running out on a taper. So I thought we'll check the level. And we've got down underneath the bed of the lathe is some levelling blocks. So what I'll do, this is set up between centres. Headstock bearings I've set up earlier. They're all good, they're to spec. So what we've got in here is a test bar that we know is ground good. So we're just going to run it up and down and see how far the lathe runs out. We'll zero the gauge. We'll set it at 0. Just wind it up. 10 thou, 20 thou, 30 thou. Yeah, approximately 40 thou run out. I'll do that again, and then I'll firm it a bit closer up, and you can see what I'm talking about. Excuse me, shaky hands. Right then, so you can see the gauge there, sat on 0. So I'll wind up the test piece, and as we get going, see the gauge moving. So we're there, a couple of inches, and it's already 10 thou out. Keep going, 20 thou, roughly halfway, 30 thou. So to that end of the piece, about 40 thou run out. So what we need to do here, and at this end of the lathe, you can see we've got some levelling blocks. Not there, not there. So we can bring it up, and that allows the twist of the bed in the lathe. Can bring it dead level so it runs true up and down. So I've got that. What's done now, I've lifted the top nut up and brought the bottom nut up to it. Check these ones here are tight. And we'll check the run out again. See if we've made any difference. Zero the gauge. About 5 thou. So we'll go again. Trial and error job this. Zero the gauge, start properly. Getting there, 30 thou run out on that now. It's a little bit more of a tweak, and then we'll go to the back. We'll adjust the back ones as well. Throughout the back length of the bed of the lathe. I'm bringing this corner up, so what I might do in a minute is the opposite corner, drop it down. Zero the gauge. And try again. Definite improvement. I'll just show you. So where we're at the minute, we had a 40 thou run out. As you can see, the gauge there sat at 0 and it's going that way. So from a 40 thou run out, got it down to just less than 20. We can get it better, so we'll adjust the back corner and see how we go from there. Right, after a bit of swearing, let's have a look now. Zero the gauge. Get an element of flex on this by virtue of the fact of just pressing on things, but we'll get a fairly good idea. Let's roll it. A little bit of a movement. Start at 0, just move it back, half a thou. I'll take that. There's the finished article. You see there, not a bad finish for a crappy old bolt. Damn sight better than what I was getting. Happy days. Headstock bearing set up, lathe bed trued up. Just need some better index tools. See how we go.